but that's okay.
What
It's
is
just
this,
very
Kevin?
fragile. Just don't drop it.
Do you know anything about this?
I don't know anything about it.
Are you sure? They're not be taking the video.
They're not, they're just taking some pictures.
Where's Beastie? Why is it warm inside?
What?
Why is it warm?
It's a live bat, though.
You know anything about this?
No.
Open it!
It's warm on the bottom. It's looking at me.
Am I ready to get mad?
Yeah.
Kidding me. It's a Siamese. Where'd you get that?
Secret?
They have blue eyes.
Mm-hmm. Like Zoe.
Oh, take her out. Is it a girl or a boy?
Girl. It's a girl. And Dad, you can name her since she's your cat now. Hi, Beastie number 2. Take her out.
Where'd you get a Siamese cat?
That's when we drove
Bought it
far
from
away
a
for
breeder.
it. We've been gone.
Where we went.
We drove like
In
an
there.
hour and a half
I
to
can't
get it.
believe you got a Siamese cat. Do we have supplies for this poor baby?
We bought everything.
I bought everything.
Oh man.
Break it.
She likes the bag.
All I can say is I give up.
Beastie's eat it.
Hold on.
I'm gonna
See,
train
Mom
it
likes
right.
her.
Nobody's gonna be blowing in its face and picking on it.
Yes, Mom likes her.
That's enough
Mom's
pictures.
glad.